Okay, we will go to the second part of this chapter. So today we will look at triangles of trigonometry. So in this trigonometry triangle, we have two types of triangle. So the first type of triangle, which will have 30 degrees, 60 degree, and where is the side? We have 1 unit over here, third 3, and 2 units over here. And then where is the other triangles, we have both 45 degrees, and since this is an isosceles triangle, then both sides will have the same line as well, which is 1 unit, and then the hypotenuse is 2. So from this, we can get the value that you see in the table here. So first, we have sine 30, so opposite over hypotenuse, so you get 1 over 2. So sine 45, okay, we will look at this triangle. So opposite over hypotenuse here. Sine 60, okay, opposite over hypotenuse over here. All right. So now for the cos and tangent, also the same. All right. So for this part, normally we just need to substitute the value in. So 2 tangent 5, tangent 45, sorry. So we'll just substitute, okay, 2 times 1. Sine 30 is 1 over 2, so we get a total of 2 and 1 over 2 here. Okay, 3 cos 30, so 3 cos 30 over 2 minus sine 60. Sine 60 is 1 over 2. Okay. Sorry, sine 60 is third. Sine 60 is third, 3 over 2. So here you got 3, here you got 1. So 3 minus 1, we get 2. Okay, and then third 3 over 2. So we simplify, we are left with third 3. Okay. So next part, we will look at the conversions of the degree to degree minutes and vice versa. So before we can do the conversion, so first thing you must understand that 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So 50 add, okay, degree, the 0.7, okay, we times 60. Then we will get 50 at degree, 42 minutes. Okay, so we try another one. 43 degree plus 0.3 times 60. So 43 degrees, 0.3 times 60, we get 18 minutes. So next, how about if let's say degree minutes change into degree? So we look at the first one. So the 36 degree, we have to divide by 60. Okay. So we get 50 at 0.6 degree. Okay, and then this 49 degree, okay, plus 54 divided by 60. So you get 49, okay, plus 0.9. Then we get 49.9 degree. So what if let's say they ask you to find your value using calculator? So in your calculator, your scientific calculator, so how do we key in? Okay, you just find, okay, in your calculator, you press the shift first, then you press, for example, the first one, then we press the tangent, okay? Then you will see in your calculator, they will show something like this, tangent -1. So only when you see this tangent -1, then you key in your number, like this one, 1.457. Then you just key in this number, you should get 55 degree, 32 minutes. Okay, so then next, cos x, okay, cos x also the same. So you press shift, so now you press cos, so it will appear cos, okay, the -1. So when you key in this 0.1619, okay, you will get 80 degree. In your calculator, it will show 80 degree, 40 minutes, and then 50 at 0.09, right? Okay, so when we have something like this, you see this one is more than 30. So for your minutes, we need to plus 1. So your answer is not 80 degree, 40 minutes, but 80 degree, 41 minutes. Okay, and next our sine x, we also repeat the same thing. Okay, we press shift, then we press the sign, then you will see something like this sign, -1, then you key in the value 0.461 okay, so now then we get 27 degree and 30. So remember in your calculator, when we want to key in the number, we press shift, and then if you say tangent, you press tangent, cos, you press cos, okay, sine, you press sine. Okay, how about if you say they give you degree, okay, so in your calculator, you just press the tangent, okay, and then you just key in like tangent 30, you just tangent, key in 30, so you should get sine of 3 over 3. And then sine 60, you get sine of 3 over 2. Cos 60, 1 over 2. Alright, so that's how we use calculator to find our cos value, sine value, and also tangent value. So now, okay, we do some words, we do words questions here, which this one is a kind of questions you might most probably get. Okay, so the diagram shows a right pyramid with a square base. So given the height of the pyramid is 15 centimeter. So since they say it's a square, right? So here will also be 16 centimeter. So T to the center, let us mark here as a C here. Okay, now TQS, where is the angle of TQS? TQS. So if let's say we extract this angle out, okay, it's actually something okay, your T, your Q. So I will use C here because TQS and TQC, they will have the same angle. So this is the angle we are finding. So the height of the pyramid is 15 centimeter. Okay, so what we need some more for our calculations here is either CQ or TQ. So see what we can find. So there is another piece of information here where they give you PQ is 16 centimeter. So if let's say we look at here, okay, here also 16 centimeter, we can actually find SQ is how much. Okay, because if let's say we draw we draw a right angle triangle here, you can see, okay, I draw on this. Okay, then let us extract this out. Okay, so we got this one, SP, and then SQ. Okay, so you have right angle, so here is 16 centimeter. So now let us find our SQ first. Let us find our SQ. So SQ equals to 16 square plus 16 square, and then we square root it. So we will get a set of 512. Okay, but we don't need that much. We only need half to find the CQ. Okay, so we find our CQ. So CQ is half of SQ. Okay, half of SQ, okay, 512. Okay, so we actually get at set 2. Okay, now then we get our here is at set 2. So since we got this value already, we can find our TQS. So our TQS, so tangent TQS equals to, okay, opposite is 15, okay, CQ is at 2. Okay, some of you might be wondering whether should I leave my answer like this or find an angle. So how do we differentiate? Questions normally will tell you, if let's say they say ask you to find tangent cos, then you will just leave it like this will do. Okay, but like this TQS, they want you to find the angle. So we have another step, TQS. So in your calculator, you press this one, tan -1. Okay, then we have this. This is actually what you press in your calculator. Okay, but when we write our working, we will just need to write these steps here. Tangent angle TQS equals to 52 degree and 58 minutes. Okay, so that's all for today and for this chapter. All right, so if let's say any of you still need some help on these chapters, you can always email me, okay, to let me know to how I can help you. Or if let's say you want to find a personal tutor, you can always email me as well. So bye bye, I see you in the next video.